What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing this game that came out today, like just came out today, called Slime Lab. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, guys, I clicked the tutorial, and there's still it's telling me in the tool, and I forgot to hit record. So what happened? It let me play with some slime, and then it told me told me to do this, pull the knob on the water, and then give this clear thing. Then it told me to add thickness. That way. And then now I got this blob of water and slime. Don't really know what to call this. Alright, so now, what if I don't want the color red? What if I want blue or something? Good enough. Yeah, good enough. How do I mix? How do I? Yeah. My hand's stuck to the slime! Finish. Okay, good. Wait. I'm taking out the batteries on my controller. This thing is broken. My controller is broken. Oh, wait. Huh? Dang, bro, what's wrong with my controller? Oh, alright, it's fixed. Now let's package it. Yeah. Screw the lid on. Here's your slime, ma'am. Oh, thank you. Oh, am I short, or is this? Wait, I'm gonna restart. I'm gonna do up my height because I wouldn't like being like this. Wait, this is wrong. Wait, I gotta. Well, I'm not taller, but wait, I can move around? Okay, this helps a lot. How much? Oh, pull the lever to count my earnings. No, I don't want to do your order. You're mean. Finish. So, slime scientist. Alright, guys. I'm on a call with my friend. He wanted to see. So, you can. Alright. Okay. Oh, yo. Color. Guys, am I wrong? Am I right or am I wrong? Is this that color? Okay, yeah. Little brown. You kidding me? What? Same color? What am I supposed to add? Black? Ugh. But black? Oh. Alright. Okay. Okay. Take this out. Oh! Huh? Why did you just do that? Huh? How do I... Oh. Here. They're a little slimy. Slimy. Guys, what's happening? Yeah. Reset. Bro! Like smooth turning. Yeah, smooth turning. I don't like big knit, bro. I'll do snap. Guys, I'm gonna reset my height on whatever thing it says on on my Oculus real quick, so I'm going to do that real quick. Alright guys, I forgot to hit record again, but I sold that piece of slime for, I think that's $1.03. Alright, so then now I gotta make that. So I saw on the ads, there's like a gun you can just straight up, on your, just straight up shoot out slime. You can just, alright, so colors that, think, wait, what did I just do? No, guys, I could have sworn I just made myself taller. Alright, so so octopuses! It's octopuses! Ugh. What does this do? I like pressing buttons. I don't know what it does. So do you want that color? I don't know what to do, guys. Thickness 0. So, okay, so I have different thickness strokes. Glow. Okay, I'm using that soon. So what I'm gonna try. So I think I might wanna use those two. Mix it. Put some of this. Some of this. Oh wait, did I get the right color? Well guys, I gotta take off my hoodie. I am just there's a tag on it and I'm just getting like it hurts taking my hoodie off, even though it's 15 degrees outside in Indiana right now. Right now I took off my hoodie. I feel much better. Yeah. What if I stab him? Okay, so nothing happens. So, ooh. Okay, blue glow. Okay, yeah, these are my two favorite. Yeah, I'm taking these. Slime. Those glowing slime. Glow remover. Whoa. Okay, so this game is sick. So comment down below. What else should I try in here? Wait, I didn't get to try hot water. So, color. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't judge me, please. So I heard every single color, I'm just doing this from what I remember from past experiences. Every color makes brown. Or just like mix a bunch of colors and it makes brown. Or just like a dark. Okay. Okay, I am okay. Go. Good. So I forgot to put thickness in it. Thickness. I think 50% is good. So I'm not 50. Oh, I accidentally did 53. It's not gonna be that big of a difference. So I'm guessing this is kind of like orange. I don't know. Oh, are you kidding me? Second time. Please just make brown. Color yellow. Color orange. I know this doesn't. Oh, so okay. So I sort of made like sunny. Looks like pea. All right, mix. This isn't doing nothing. Okay. Don't mind my laugh. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what to do. You know, oh, wait, I forgot. You just reject the order. Oh, this is your fault, sir. Yeah, this is your fault, sir. How do I scoop it up? Okay, so I can't. Oh, okay, so now I can reset my height. Now if I'm just too short. Now I'm taller than you, sir. I forgot I can just decline orders. So no, I don't want to do yours. Yeah. Yeah, what if I don't want to do your order? What are you going to do? Nothing. Ooh, glowing orange. Glowing green. Oh, okay. Okay. My bad. So I'm gonna mainly need these two. No, these three. Thickness. %% thickness. Oh, okay, this is the good stuff. too big though. It's gonna. I sure hope it doesn't fall. Might want to put some of the white to make sure it doesn't get. This is not my. Okay, I'm sorry, ma'am, but this might not be the exact color you wanted, but I tried my best. This is my first day on the job. I'm sorry, ma'am. Oh, perfect. Okay. Oh. Shove that in there. Here's your slime, ma'am. Oh, 100%, bet. Alright guys, I gotta talk to my friends real quick. They are being way too, I don't know if you can hear them, but I'm just getting annoyed by just hearing them while I'm trying to record this, so. Can you guys please be quiet? I am trying to record a video. I'm just trying to show you guys. You know, I have a brilliant idea. I'm just gonna leave the call.